Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody watching is having a great day. Today we are back with another episode of 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. This is where I give you a quick review of a shoe that I picked up in under 1 minute. I'll put a link to my last episode up on the screen right here if you want to go and check it out. Make sure you also check out my Instagram if you want to see any of my shoe posts before anybody else does. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Alright, let's go. Today we're taking a look at the ALD New Balance P550 basketball shoe in the purple colorway. This shoe was released on June 21st, 2022 at a retail price of $130. When the shoe was released, they allowed pre-orders, which is why I'm just now receiving the shoe. The Aime Leon Dore New Balance 550 dresses the retro hoop shoe in an elementary two-tone color scheme with vintage-inspired details. The low top carries a white leather upper and a micro-perforated mid-foot overlay, and a violet-colored N logo in cracked leather. The mismatched ALD and New Balance logo branding can be found on the right and left heel of the sneaker, which sits on top of a traditional rubber cup sole. As far as resale value, it's pretty bad. Most sizes are sitting below retail, which sucks because at the time of the release, the shoe was selling for almost double the retail price, and now when I finally got my pre-ordered pair, the price is tanked. I'll probably hold on to the shoe and see if the resale goes up, and if it doesn't, I'll probably just end up wearing them. Well, this has been 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you for all of your support and have a great day.